one of the through lines nowadays. You have to actually provide real relationship human value because people want that. Humans are humans and they're not gonna like blindly trust AI for everything. I mean, it's great, honestly. It's great in a tool enhancer. It's not like they wanna run their whole business on it because they have a whole business to run if they're in a different industry, like a non-technical industry. Like they have other stuff to do.
There is a lot of tribalism inside of which tools you use. Is WordPress still going to be #1 in 5 years? What's the best page builder? What's the best backup tool? What's the best host? What's the best form plugin, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. As long as you're doing good work for your clients and helping your clients achieve their goals, that's all that really matters. And I would always say tools are tools, just don't be one.
If there's anything that's going to be a takeaway from this talk, is recurring revenue. Without it, you're going to stay a freelancer forever.
You've got to be so careful about how AI is being used. You need to make sure you have proper processes and rules in place for all of your staff, what can be used, what data can be put in, how it's part of everyone's everyday lives at business, because these mistakes we've seen in real time.
Most bad clients don't surprise you, you just ignore the signs. So what actually makes a good client? It is clarity, ownership, willingness to be challenged. A good client enables your team to do great work and also understands the complexity, what you want to accomplish together.
We're trying to be innovative, but we're not trying to create anything new. All we're doing is we're digitizing human experiences, things that are related to the problems that we're trying to solve and trying to create a digitized version of that. That's exactly where it first started with the point and click, because that's so human that you can just point at something and say, make this bigger, change this to this, and with just 3 to 5 words, and all the context is wrapped around it in a visual way.
Most agencies assume clients leave because of pricing, communication, or the quality of their work, and probably that's true. But what I want to explore today is actually something else. What web hosting has to do with it, and why it can play much bigger role in the client retention and the recurring revenue for you, the agencies.
This is kind of just the story of how my passion is helping me build a better agency 25 years too late.
My question for you is, what does a 1/4-inch patch cable and a frozen pond, what do these two items have to do with the kind of change that we're in the middle of right now? And what stories do they have to tell us about how we can thrive?
Community is basically a distribution channel. We see firsthand how agencies engage with our ecosystems, and the one that shows up in forums, in chats, at WordCamps, in our partner programs, those are the ones that get referred, but not because we are doing them a favor, but because they've made themselves visible and useful inside those spaces where decision makers are paying attention.